Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if an update is being prepared for your device but is not quite ready yet. We'll keep trying, or you can try again now. So if you're noticing that you keep getting this issue and you keep retrying and this message keeps coming up again every time you select that for the update status, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go and jump right into it. So what I would suggest doing would be to open up the start menu and type in troubleshoot. Press manage to come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to scroll down underneath get up and running and select Windows Update, resolve problems that are preventing you from updating Windows, and then select run the troubleshooter. Okay, so once that is done, it will more than likely have actually found and fixed problems here. So what I would suggest would be to close out of here and then restart your computer. Okay guys, so once that's done, you should be able to go open back up Windows Update, attempt to run the update once again, and that should hopefully have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.